Hello friends, here I've taken green color to make feather. Just make it flat with the rolling pin. Cut it with a tool and give a pointed shape. Now take out the rest of part. See, we need this shape for feathers. Make the edges soft and smooth. Now same method will be followed with the next color, but a little smaller than the green. I've taken orange color. You can take yellow or golden, whatever you like. I'm giving the same shape as I've given to the green, but little smaller. See? Now it's time for blue. Give it a round shape. Make your corners smooth, and now it's time for assembling. One after one, and see, it should be like this. Here I've made some of the feathers like that. I've taken a golden sheet as the base of feathers. See? Now I'm going to paste all the feathers on it. I'll start with the corner, outermost corner. Little tilted, not straight but little tilted. One after one, I'm going to cover all the feathers on its edge. Now it's time for the second row. This is how I'm going to fill the complete sheet with the feathers. Just check the direction, it should be a spreaded feather. See how it is? Now it's a pot which I'm going to decorate. Taken a blue color clay. I'm going to give shape of the body, the neck part of the peacock. Stick it with the pot and try to give curvy shape of the neck and the beak. See, it should be like this. Now I'm going to cover it with the beak. I've taken orange color, just flatten it and cover the beak like this. Make sure the beak should be pointed. Make it smooth. See. Now I'm going to make a tuft. A beautiful tuft on the head of peacock. I've made a cone and I'm cutting it with the scissor. Now I'm giving a shape, a curl shape. Now time to stick the feather which I have already made at the back side. Now I'll be making a border. I'm going to roll blue clay and will be covering the head of the pot. Here I'm going to decorate it with the pearls. Now it's time for painting. I'm going to paint the pot with the blue color. And it should be like this. And see, it's done. Now it's your time to try. Do not forget to share and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. See you.